Hello students, we are in chapter number 4. The chapter is fraction and the exercise is 4.3. Today we shall discuss the topic comparison of fractions. Okay, now we shall discuss two types of fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. Alright students, so let us proceed. At first let us discuss about like fractions. And here we shall discuss about unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Now how we shall compare? To compare, let us draw two circles of same size. Okay, now let us make few parts. 4 parts are made, here also 4 parts. Okay, now let us shade few parts to get the fractions. Suppose here this part is shaded, here one part is shaded out of 4, and let us shade 2 parts out of 4 parts. So this is the representation of which fraction, students? Yes, this is 1 by 4 and this is 2 by 4. Now here today we are here to compare the fractions. We shall say which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller. Here directly you can say that this fraction is bigger because the more part is shaded. So what will write? We shall write that here 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4, isn't it? So here this is the case where this is the case of like fraction. Here the denominators are equal. If denominators are equal, then we shall compare the two fractions by the help of the numerator. Greater the value of the numerator, greater is the value of the fraction. Here you see greater, here 2 is the numerator, here 1 is the numerator. This value is greater. That's why this fraction is greater. Alright students, so here let us conclude that in like fraction, greater the value of the numerator, greater is the value of the fraction, isn't it? Now let us move to the unlike fraction. Now students, let us draw two circles, alright, and let us make few parts. Here let us make 4 parts. There are more than 4 parts. We have to make to get the unlike fractions. Isn't it, student? 4. Okay. So this is the case of unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means denominators are not equal. Suppose this part is shaded, one part is shaded. Here also one part let us shade to compare. So this is the representation. There are 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, 1 part is shaded. Here 1 part is shaded out of, let us count. It will be clearly understandable. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 1 part is shaded. Out of 4, 1 part is shaded. Now student, can you tell me which fraction is bigger? Clearly you can say that this fraction is bigger, okay, because bigger part is shaded, alright. So here we can write 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 8. This is the case here the numerators are equal. So how will compare? We will see the value of the denominator. Smaller is the value of the denominators, greater is the value of the fraction. I repeat it. In case of unlike fractions, how will compare? We will compare looking at the denominator. If the numerators are same, this is the condition. If the numerators are same, then in that case, if here we will compare 4 and 8. Smaller is the value of the denominator, greater is the value of the fraction. With this concept, let us proceed. Okay, students. So let us start the first question. Question is, rewrite the following fractions in ascending order. 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Okay. So here we got the concept. Concept is that when, this is the case of like fraction, students. If denominators are same, greater is the value of the numerator, greater is the value of the fraction. with this concept, let us arrange it. So we know that in two fractions having same denominator, greater the value of the numerator, greater is the value of the fraction. Alright, so here as we have to arrange in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. The smaller number is here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Here we are writing all the numbers in the numerator as the denominators are equal. 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4. Now let us make the denominator 5. Okay, with this concept we have done. Here what happened, these are all like fractions, denominators are same, so we shall see the numerator. Greater is the value of the numerator, greater is the value. This is the greatest. So smallest one is this one, 1 is smaller than 2. So this fraction is smaller than this 2 by 5, and like this all. Okay, so question was, rewrite the following fraction in ascending order. So the ascending order is 1 by 5. This smaller to bigger we have to write. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Is it alright, students? Let us do one. So students, we are back with one more question. Question is, rewrite the following fractions in ascending order. The fractions are 3 by 8, 3 by 12, 3 by 6 and 3 by 4. Okay, already we have got the concept. Here you see the numerators are equal, denominators are unequal. Okay, so how will compare? Can you remember? Yes, smaller the value of the denominator, greater is the value of the fraction. Conversely, greater the value of the denominator, smaller is the value of the fraction. Okay, so here we know that in two fractions, if the numerators are equal, then smaller the value of the denominator, comma, the greater is the value of the fraction. Okay, so here in all the cases the numerators are equal, so we shall compare these denominators. Let us write the denominators. This is 4, 6, 8 and 12. These are the denominators. Now we know that this 4 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 8, 8 is smaller than 12. Now we want to compare. So here 4 is in this one, 3 by 4 and 6 is here, 3 by 6. Just let us compare with these two, then we should proceed. Numerators are same, denominators are not equal. This is smaller. Smaller the value of the denominator, greater is the value of the fraction. So 4, if it is 4 and this fraction is greater than this fraction. Similarly, what is the next one? 8. Okay, where it is 8, this one, 3 by 8. Next one is 12, this one, 3 by 12. But our question is ascending order. Okay, ascending is smaller to bigger, but this is bigger to smaller. So the ascending order is 3 by 12 smaller than 3 by 8, smaller than 3 by 6, is smaller than 3 by 4. Okay students, we are back with one more question. Let us read the question. Rewrite the following fractions in ascending order. The fractions are 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, how will you compare? Here you see the problem is neither the numerators are equal nor the denominators are equal. What we will do, the concept is that we shall make the same denominator, then we can easily compare. Now how to make the same denominator? Let us write down these fractions. 2 by 5, 3 by 4, half, 3 by 5. Okay, we will take same denominator, so we will take the LCM of this 5, 4, 2 and 5. These are the denominators. It is divisible by 2, 2, 5, here 2, 1, 5. Again, let us take 5, 1, 1, 5. Let us take 5 here, 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is how much? 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. Okay students, so we'll make the denominator as 20. This is, let us write like this. Let us multiply. In each case, we will make the denominator 20. Now with 5, what do you have to multiply to get 20? 4, right? So here also we shall put 4 to make the equivalent fraction. With 4, what will multiply to get 20? 5. We shall put 5 to get equivalent fraction. Here, what to multiply to get 20? 10. So here also we shall multiply. We shall put 10. Then here 5 4s are, here 3 4s are. Alright. This is 8 by 20. This is 15 by 20. This is 10 by 20. This is 12 by 20. Question is, write the fraction in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Okay, so here in each case the denominators are equal, so smaller the value of the numerator, smaller is the value of the fraction. So the smallest value is 8. Okay, so the fraction corresponding fraction is 2 by 5. So the ascending order is ascending smaller to bigger. The smallest value is, smallest fraction is 2 by 5. Okay, then after 8 it comes 10. It is half. Then comes 3 by 5. Then comes 3 by 4. Okay, so in this way we can arrange in ascending order. Okay, now students, sometimes the question will be given in the reverse way, that is, rewrite the following fraction in descending order. So in this way you will write. Okay, so today up to this much only. Thank you students.